I like it.
I've never been heckled at a job before. You want something? Alright, you got it. Now are you sisters? Oh, they're sisters. You want the one for them to share. Yeah, they share.
Jackson, that's awesome.